Hey, what's up? Back again with another video, and today I will be unboxing the Yougnuo YN360 Deuce. Throw your deuces up. And I'm not affiliated with any gangs, but I did grow up on 22nd Street. But I digress. That's not what we came here for today. So let's hop into this unboxing. Um, the first thing that prompted me to want to purchase this light is the CRI level is 95. And that is a very high quality light, and it doesn't flicker that much. So we'll see how long that lasts. So we'll do a long term review of the product. And let me face this towards you guys and open it, because this isn't about what I want to see. It's about what you want to see. So boom, that's what it looks like when you first open up the box. Let's see here. Let me stand up because I got a new setting. I set things up differently in my studio. Here is the power cord. I got a little bit of pandemic belly too, so I use my belly to hold the box open. Here is the light inside plastic. Here is the directions, I assume. I don't know what this is. It's written in Chinese, but it has the website on it, and I don't know, something else. But I can only read the English part, so I don't know what that is. Is it a sticker, maybe? Looks like it might be a sticker. I don't know. I don't know what that is. And here is the warranty card where you can, so this does have English. So there's a warranty. I don't know what the warranty is. I'll put that information below. Let's get this box out of here and hop into what we all came to see, the light. So the bag is taped shut. Let's get that off. There's a little bit of silica in here, as you can see. There really isn't much of a scent. I don't know if I should be sniffing this, especially with coronavirus. Oh, that wasn't a good idea. And the light is inside of a bag with a lightweight strap. And let's see, let's take it out and try to power it up. The zipper, the bag feels kind of cheap. It is a cheap bag. The zipper feels extremely cheap. There's a little more silica inside the bag. I think I'll keep this in here for now. And the bag is wrapped up in plastic itself. Feels very sturdy. Let's get this off. I'm actually planning on purchasing more of these lights, but I just wanted the one to see what it's like. I'll probably have anywhere from 4 to 6 before it's said and done. So there, the plastic is off. I mean, that looks weird, but it is what it is. And it's even in another container. So I like how this was packaged. It was packaged very well. I really didn't see any foam or anything inside to keep it from banging around, but hopefully this is a sturdy light, and it getting banged around wouldn't really mean anything. There was no styrofoam or paper inside of the box, as you can see. I wonder what this tube is about, and if this is like reusable. I don't know. This kind of feels like this might cut my finger, so I don't think I'll use this ever again. This tube is in. How do you get it out of the tube? What's going on here? So there's more tape on the other end of the plastic tube that is in. So I have to take this completely off. It probably breaks apart. Or no, this is oh, so it just covered the power switch and the thread. But there's threads on both ends. Nice, sweet. Here is the controls. And this is the light. So clearly this is the back. Let's see if it has power. It has power. Nice. Look at that. That is bright. Like, I'm using the light right now. It's much brighter than the light I'm actually using. I don't really know how to use this thing just yet. I want to get into it. But my initial impressions, I really like this light. Is there a readout? Where's the readout? I don't know. I gotta download the app because I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing because it's not really giving you much information. But yeah, this is it. This is really nice. This is the Yougnuo YN. Am I saying it right? The YN360. And I'll be back with a long-term review video. But the unboxing and initial impressions, I like it so far. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.